Good morning, children. Today we are going to start lesson number 16, Our Celestial Neighbors. In this chapter, we are going to learn about moon, sun, and stars and features of our celestial neighbors. During night, when we see a clear night sky, we observe many stars shining brightly. Stars are very far away from us. Most stars are so far away that we cannot see them at all. Do you know, children? The sun is also a star. It is the largest star which is nearest to the earth in the solar system. This is the only star we cannot see at night. It is a big ball of fire which gives us heat and light. During daytime, we cannot see the other stars as they become hidden in the bright daylight. Thus, the other stars are visible at night time only. Now, have a look on the picture. This big ball of fire is sun, and the other balls which move around the sun are called planets. The solar system consists of sun and all 8 planets that move around it. The earth rotates on its axis. The part of the earth which faces the sun, the people of that part only are able to see the sun and they have day. The other part which is opposite to the sun has night. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It is much smaller in size than our Earth. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun, and this light is called moonlight. The small depressions seen on the moon's surface are called craters. The moon revolves around the earth. It changes its shapes daily on the night sky. These are called phases of the moon. Once in a month, we see a full round-shaped moon. The night sky fills with moonlight. This night is called as full moon or Purnima. Once in a month, we do not see the moon anywhere. The night sky fills with total darkness, and this night is called as new moon or Amavasya. We can see and study stars with the help of a powerful telescope. Do you know, children, who was he? He was Neil Armstrong. He was the first man to step on the moon in 1969. It is a sundial. It tells the time on the basis of the position of the sun. A shadow on the sundial helps to know the time of the day. Now let us take a quick recap of the topic. Stars are very far away from us. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun is the closest star to the earth. The moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. The moon changes its shape as it moves around the earth. I hope you all have enjoyed to know about our celestial neighbor. Thank you, children.